Here you go. Bella, come on. Bella.
Daddy got peanut butter on his fingers.
Bella.
What is she doing?
I don't know. Let's get carried away. Come here, girl. Oh, no. You really get Bella. Come here, girl. Bella. She's stuck. It's stuck. Aww. Aww. Yeah, little big girl. She into it. She can't help herself. Aww. Come on, girl. Yeah. There's no he likes it. You know what happens is they get the tongue get all glued up. She's got on top of her nose. She smells a lot of peanut butter.
Well, you're going to have to clean that.
Oh, look, she'll get it. I have faith in her. There's any dog out there who'll get it. She'll get it. See, I want to clean my hands for a week. Yeah, she's doing a good job. Woo, Bella, woo, that's good. Here you go.
Nobody paying attention, Mr. Snowman.
You know, he's glued up. He can't do anything.
You guys need to get some water.
I know.